Coach, another win against another club, big one. How do you feel?
Incredible. Today is more special than the other day, even because we are at home. It was my coming back and my welcome to home. To see my people and my family here is incredible. To beat one big team like Rayon for me is very special. But as I said before, I came here for fight for the big three. So for fight for the big three, we need to beat APR, we need to beat Rayon, Kiobu, Police or whatever. So we need to be focused on work, like you see today in the pitch that the team was very concentrated in the match. Tactically we were perfectly today. I'm happy for that because we work all the week very hard in fitness, in tactical and everything. So I'm really happy. I cannot explain the feelings today.
Coach, what was the plan? Because we saw that Rayon Sports was dominating the first half, but when you came back from the first half, you changed everything and you switched Robert going to the side.
Yes.
What was the plan?
I think that we saw different match. We dominate the first 20 minutes of the match. Rayon dominate the ball, not the match, because they didn't create any chance. They only control the ball in his side. So after that, I saw that we have some issues in the midfield and in the wingers because they were not doing the pressing well. I decided to change and put Patrick as a striker, Robert as winger. Finally, we had many chances for a score. You see, we scored one goal that is an injustice that they say offside when the ball is coming from the keeper. After that, one penalty that I have to check if it's penalty or not to William. After that, we could score, but we keep working only on that. This is only the beginning. We cannot stop working for one match because it's only 3 points against Rayon, Kiobu, Gichumbi. It's 3 points. We need all the points.
Also, all the players, all the defensive players, especially strikers, you introduce them, especially bringing in Jean-Pipi. Do you intend to play your strikers, all of them, in the next few games?
Yes, we are trying to use all of our players because we have a really good squad. All of them are working very well, but sometimes I can only use 11, so sometimes I have to use another one, so maybe the next day you will see another strikers, another defender, so we will change the squad if we need.
Coach,
depends on the match.
Rayon Sports, the last time you played Rayon Sports, it beat you 5-1. Were you on a revenge mission?
It's a revenge, but especially because everybody in this country know what's happening in that match. Many people speak about what's happened. I didn't know because I was new in the country, but now I understand what's happened with this team. But hopefully we could beat them here at home with our people. So it's a special revenge, but it's only 3 points. For me, the most important is focusing the 3 points and go match by match and focus in the next match against Rasogi. Una cosa.